Gicigo kia Narok ya gatagati no kumwe gwa icigo iria gicigirira kia mutitu wa Mau gitamburukite na kwigwatirwo, family imwe cia aria megwateire gicunje kia mutitu uyu ikiambiriria guthenga kuo.
Almost 400 households have moved fully on their own volition in solidarity with the government position of conserving the environment.
Thutha wa mucemanio na anini a macibo icigo-ini iria ihutitio, munini wa kaunti komicona Narok ya muhuro aroria ateti gwithema na miario ingithatia ikinya riri riria rioetwo ni thirikari.
Dear Mr. Politician, keep off. Give the people of Mau and their government to continue talking. For now, our people are living very peacefully. We have all resolved to conserve the environment.
Arauga maofitha kuma ruhonge-ini rwa mititu na borithi ya wathani megukorwo mari cemba kuhitana na aria mangitheremia miario ya kuhurithania igikuruhanio na ndeto ino na makiria kugerera ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Oho arauga thirikari igutigirira mihango ya mathomo mathukuru-ini maria mari gicigirira-ini giki ni mathamio icigo-ini ingi na njira igwete.
There are no registered candidates at the moment inside the areas to be affected by phase 2. All students are registered in what we call feeder schools. So at the moment we have learning in other grades.
Nende twekoretwo etumurite ngucanio gatagati ga thirikari na atongoria amwe gicigo-ini giki aria mararegana na kurutururwo kwa aikari. Aria metaheire gicunje kia mutitu uyu mari na nginyagia muthia wa mweri uyu guthenga kuona njira ya kwiyendera mbere ya marutururitwo ni thirikari kia hinya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Angi wa Nyamu.